So let's do this exercise 9.5. First sum is x square plus xy into dy is equal to x square plus y square into dx. So you first write what is dy by dx, which is x square plus y square by x square plus xy. So in this, the first exercise was all about bringing x to one side and y to one side, which is called variable separable. In this, you can't bring x to one side and y to one side at all. So you can't do it using variable separable. You have to go for homogeneity, which is y is equal to vx. If you substitute y is equal to vx here, it will become x square plus v square x square by x square plus vx, so vx square. So you can take x square common from the numerator and the denominator. You will get 1 plus v square by 1 plus v. So x square will get completely cancelled. And you have to find what is dy by dx. It's this, you have to differentiate as u and v. முதல்ல இருக்கிறது அப்படியே இது, ரெண்டாவது differentiate பண்ண 1 plus ரெண்டாவது இருக்கிறது அப்படியே இது, முதல்ல இருக்கிறது differentiate பண்ண dv by dx. Take this and substitute it here. So thus you get v plus x into dv by dx. Here also you get v plus x into dv by dx. Now you take the v, cancel and take it to the other side. X into dv by dx is equal to, LCM is 1 plus v. So you get 1 plus v square minus v minus v square. So v square and v square get cancelled. So now look at this. It's become like variable separable. 1 minus v by 1 plus v. Now you can bring all the v to one side,
x to other side,
and x to the other side. And to integrate this, you must know that you have to do it like a bandage and integrate 1 by 1 minus v plus integration of v by 1 minus v dv and a dv is equal to log x plus c. Right side is sorted, but here is where you have a problem. To integrate this v by 1 minus v, you should have seen the intro video where I'll put minus, outside also I'll put a minus. And then I'll add 1 and then subtract 1, and then I'll combine this and this, and I'll combine this and this like a band-aid. So this will be integration of mod of 1 minus v into dv minus integration of 1 minus v by 1 minus v into dv minus of minus will be plus integration of 1 minus 1 by v into dv is equal to log x plus c. Now this and this will get cancelled. This and this can get added. This is log of mod of 1 minus v by minus 1, so it will be like this. And this will also be the same answer. And so I can write it as minus 2
log mod 1.
And then this will be 1 integration of 1 dv is just v. So thus you got the answer. That's all is equal to log x plus c. What is v? Y is equal to vx means v is equal to y by x. So wherever v is, right, 1 minus y by x minus y by x is equal to
log x plus c.
Log x plus c. That's your answer. You can also take LCM. You can further simplify based on the book back answer. You can approach it till the book back. Okay, that's up to you. Okay, because this will become or you can leave it like that, but try to get the book back answer till the end. Just continue with this. Okay, so let's go to next question is second one, where they've given dy by dx is x plus y by x. Again, you can't take the x to one side and y to one side. You have to only possibilities y is equal to dx. So if you write that x plus vx by x, you can take x out completely common and it will become 1 plus v. Instead of dy by dx, you know it's v plus x into dv by dx. Substituting here a v plus x into dv by dx and taking the v to the other side.
Cancel.
So it will become 1 by x into dx integration of dv. So this will be v, this will be log x plus c. What is v? V itself is y by x is equal to log x plus c. That's the answer. So let's go to third question. X minus y into dy minus x plus y into dx is equal to 0. So you will write x minus y into dy is equal to x plus y into dx. Correct? You will write then dy by dx is x plus y by x minus y. You put y is equal to vx. So you get x plus vx by x minus vx, where x will get cancelled. 1 plus v by 1 minus v. On the left side you can write v plus x into dv by dx, where v can be taken to the other side. So when you sit and solve this, what will happen is 1 minus v, 1 plus v minus v plus v square. The v and v gets cancelled. So the next step, therefore, you get 1 plus v square by 1 minus v. Now you can change it into variable separable, taking all the v to one side and all the x to the other side. And you can do a band-aid here. So this will become 1 by 1 plus v square into dv minus v by 1 plus v square into dv. Right side is just log x plus c. But here what will happen? This is tan inverse. This is tan inverse of v. Here this is t and numerator becomes dt. So in each one you have to assume one thing, okay? For this one, you know the direct answer will be tan inverse of v. For this one, if you're going to assume 1 plus v square as t, 2v into dv will become dt, but you have only a v dv, so dt by 2. So minus integration of dt by 2 because of this minus sign, and by what is it? It's 1t. 1 plus v square itself is t. So then it's equal to log x plus c, which is on the right side. So tan inverse of v is y by x minus half of log of t is equal to log x plus c. And what is t? T is 1 plus v square, and put a mod whenever there's a log, okay? Continue on the recording. So இதில் வந்து vக்கு பதிலாக y by x போடலாம். Again tan inverse of y by x minus half of, this is log t, again log of mod of 1 plus y square by x square is equal to log x plus c. Then you can further calculate depending on how you're doing. It's log of, it's x square plus y square by x square, and this will go as minus log x this side is equal to c. Now once this goes that side, you can take the minus sign common out. In the minus sign, tan inverse of y by x minus is common. This itself, the root can go that side. Log of root of x square plus y square by x. X square will become an x because the root
goes.
And this is becoming plus because I have taken the minus common. This minus also will become a plus, and so it will become into x, and x and x will get cancelled is equal to c. So this will be your answer, tan inverse of y by x minus log of root of x square plus y square is equal to c, something like that. Okay, you can check your book back answers. I'm just randomly doing, but you can always check it. Okay, what is the next question? Question number 4. So let me do question number 4. X square minus y square into dx எனக்கு எழுத முடியல minus 2xy into dy. Okay, இப்போ we'll write what is dy by dx, which is x square minus y square by 2xy with a negative sign, and you write y is equal to vx. So this will become x square minus v square x square by 2x vx square. So what will happen? X square can completely be cancelled, become 1 minus v square by 2x square. 1 minus v square by 2x square. It will equal to, this is what, v plus x into dv by dx. Now v can be taken to the other side. Let's write x into dv by dx here, and let's write this minus 1 minus v, what did we write? 1 minus v square. 1 minus v square by 2x square. 2x square தான் கேன்சல் ஆயிடுச்சு, திருப்பி 2v இல்லை எழுதணுங்க. நான் x square வெளியே எடுக்கும்போது கேன்சல் ஆகி 1 minus v square by 2v. So 1 minus v square by 2v minus v. So then because this v is coming that side, no? So x into dv by dx is equal to minus of 1 minus v square minus 2v square by 2v. This can be solved, right? Because this minus sign is, this minus sign is not totally, it's just minus of minus. Okay, so you can solve this and this. So you get x into dv by dx is equal to, we could have done one thing. We could have just taken the minus out common and written it as 1 plus v square by 2v plus v. So when we do this, it will become 1 plus v square plus 2v square by 2v, which will become minus of 1 plus 3v square by 2v, and you can take all the x to one side and all the v's to one side and do it. I hope I'm doing it correctly. I'll try it once again. The question is x square minus y square into dx is equal to minus 2xy into dy. So you write dy by dx is minus of x square minus y square by 2xy putting y is equal to vx. This will become x square minus v square x square by 2 into vx square. So x square throughout will get cancelled. It will become 1 minus v square by 2v is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Taking the v to the other side, it will become minus v minus 1 plus v square by 2v is equal to x into dv by dx. On taking an LCM, which is 2v, this will become minus 2v square minus 1 minus v square, which you are right, is equal to the same answer only we are getting. I tried it thrice. Okay, by 2v is equal to x into dv by dx. Now it's become variable separable. You can move all the v to one side, and since dv is here, you can move it to the 2v by 3v square plus 1, where the minus sign can completely taken out common. It's equal to 1 by x into dx. So in this it will become log x. In this you can assume it as take the 2 outside, and v by 3v square plus 1 dv, where 3v square plus 1 as t, 6v into dv will become dt, and you have only a v dv here, which will become dt by 6. So it will become minus 1 by 2 minus 2 by 6 into dt by t. So this will get cancelled. Minus 1 by 3 into log t, which is log of mod of 3v square plus 1, and this is log x. Therefore you can include a log c. Because everything is log, you can take this to the other side, plus 1 by 3 into log of mod of 3 y square by x square plus 1 is equal to log c. Then this can be turned into multiplication. But to do multiplication, this to be whole to the power 1 by 3 எழுதணும். அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் you can turn this into multiplication. See how they have proceeded with the final answer in the textbook. But this is the way to proceed the sum. Okay, so let's go to next question, which is the 5th question. X square into dy by dx is x square minus 2y square plus xy. So dy by dx itself is x square minus 2y square plus xy by x square. Did you all finish the extra sum, 5 sums in vectors, yesterday's test? Can I see all the answers? Can you do it? So then let's put y is equal to vx, x square minus 2 v square x square plus v x square by x square, so that x square throughout will get
cancelled.
1 minus 2v square plus v. That's all. You can write this as v plus x into dv by dx, and the v goes to the other side. V and v get cancelled. So it becomes 1 minus 2v square into dv is equal to 1 by x into dx. Now this one I would like to take 2 out. So this will become 1 by 2 minus v square, or 1 by root 2 the whole square minus v square is equal to log x plus c. This is like Amma's formula, no? 1 by a square minus x square is Amma likes it 1 by 2a. 1 by 2 into a into log of mod of a plus x by a minus x. Where in the place of y you can write v, you can write y by x later. Correct? Is log x plus c. So you can also write here log c, because everything seems to be in terms of log. This and this will get cancelled. So you get 1 by 2 root 2 log of this will become 1 by root 2 plus y by x. Or you can write it like this, 1 plus root 2 into v by 1 minus root 2 into v is equal to log x plus log c. Now you can write 1 by 2 root 2 into log of mod of 1 plus root 2 into y by x by 1 minus root 2 into y by x is equal to log x plus log c. Now you can consolidate. You can also take LCM here and look at the final answer and juggle it accordingly. Final answer you should only check. Okay, so let's go to next question, which is the 6th question. X into dy minus y into dx is equal to root of x square plus y square into dx. Consolidate the dx. X into dy is equal to root of x square plus y square plus y into dx. So dy by dx is root of x square plus y square plus y by x. Y is equal to vx. When you write that, what will happen? Dy by dx is root of x square plus v square x square plus this will become vx by x. You can throw out, cancel the x off. It will become root of 1 plus v square plus v. That's all. Is equal to, this is v plus x into dv by dx, where the v goes to the other side, this and this get cancelled.
cancel.
1 by root of 1 plus v square into dv is equal to 1 by x into dx. So then therefore this will become log of mod of v plus denominator copy plus c. This is log x plus log c. V you can substitute y by x and take this as subtraction and solve it and then find the answer. Last step you have to do it by yourself. So let's go to 7th question. So x into cos of y by x plus y into sin of y by x, the whole thing multiplied by y dx is equal to y into sin of y by x minus x into cos of y by x, the whole thing multiplied by x into dy. I'll put what is dy by dx, you should write. A dy is here by a dx, so this will come in this side, x into cos of y by x plus y into sin of y by x, the whole multiplied by y, by y into sin of y by x minus x into cos of y by x, the whole multiplied by an x. So you put y is equal to vx, it will become cos v plus vx sin v, the whole thing multiplied by another vx by y into y by x, y is nothing but vx into sin v minus x into cos v, the whole multiplied by x, x and x gets cancelled. Instead of dy by dx, you can write x, what do you write? V plus x into dv by dx and take the v to the other side. When you do this, first you take this v inside. X throughout can get cancelled. First you write that. What is it? It's cos v plus v sin v, the whole multiplied by v by v sin v minus cos v. Yeah, all these x would have come out and would have got cancelled. This x also got cancelled. Now you can put a minus v is equal to x into dv by dx. When you take LCM, make sure you're multiplying this inside. So you get a v cos v plus v square sin v. Correct? V square sin v minus v square sin v plus v cos v by v sin v minus cos v is equal to x into dv by dx. In this, what can you cancel? Is v square sin v will get cancelled. A 2v cos v by a v sin v minus cos v is equal to x into dv by dx. Now take all the v to one side. So v sin v minus cos v by a 2v cos v into dv is equal to 1 by x into dx. In this it's log x. Done. In this, 1 by 2 you can take it out. You simply assume v cos v as t. Differentiate as u and v. முதல்ல இருக்கிறது அப்படியே எழுது, ரெண்டாவது இருக்கிறது டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணு மைனஸ் எம்இ ப்ளஸ் ரெண்டாவது இருக்கிறது அப்படியே எழுது, முதல்ல இருக்கிறது டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ண 1 இஸ் இன்டு டிவி இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு டிடி. மேலே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா the whole thing is in negative side, so minus dt. So minus 1 by 2 dt by t. Log x is equal to minus 1 by 2 into log t plus log c. T is what? Log x minus half log of mod of v cos v plus log c. V க்கு you can write y by x. And these two can become, this can be taken to the other side and then both the logs can be consolidated. Log and log get cancelled. So like this you should continue and that's it for now. I have my class, so I'm just finishing it.